It's recording. Good. Okay, guys. Again, so we'll do this review, and then we will jump to the next thing. Review. So let's do it together. Something you learned today in class 1. Today, not yesterday. Did we have yesterday? We have only today in 102. So, tell me, who wants to start? Yeah.
Make your file in GitHub. No, GitHub can make web page.
GitHub can make web pages, so which is we call it GitHub pages. It's similar to web pages. What else related to this? How do we make these web pages? Ripple? Did we learn Ripple today? Today? Oh, no, wait. Well, we did not have yesterday.
Just make a count.
Do we have yesterday? What was yesterday?
101.
That was not my class. Just kidding. So we are in 102, so that's a different class. They're not related. But yes, good. We used Ripple for yesterday. But today, how do we make these web pages? Like, what do we use?
Making your website. Make an account.
Yes. And?
Make an account and start to.
Good. So before, there is a step before this, right? Which is make what kind of an account? Is it Facebook account?
No.
GitHub account. Okay. GitHub account. Awesome. So to do this, there's a prerequisite which is making GitHub account. And then to do this, we did steps. Okay, someone else. What are the steps to make these GitHub pages? 1.
Choose the button plus from
Plus button. And
then you
where is that?
on the right.
Okay, right corner. Top right corner. And what does this do?
Options. There's options.
What does it do? Okay, what the option we use?
You have to choose a new.
So we create new repo. That's 1. 2. Who else? Someone else. Yeah.
The name of the page.
Name the page. Name it. Name the page. Awesome. 3. Select theme. Select theme.
Not now.
Okay, good. So here we're gonna select a theme. Select theme. Sure. There is like steps between.
Create.
We'll get to there. Yeah.
Press create.
We created the repo and then we named it.
And we create. When you click on the create repo.
Okay, so after you name the page, you click on create. Awesome. What else? So now we have the GitHub repo. What else?
Click on setting.
Settings. So we go to settings. What do we do in settings?
Choose the theme. Choose.
We go to the theme directly.
No, choose.
Okay.
Change the theme.
Settings. GitHub. Setting GitHub themes.
Okay, so we go to GitHub 4, we choose the theme. Good. Who else?
But before that, select it of public or private.
That's when we do what?
Before we do our create.
Okay, so that's when we create this repo. it will give you option if it's public or private. We should choose what? For now, public, but later on you will do private. It is free, but they have limitations. So that's a good question. We have public and private. Private, if you want your code not to be seen with anyone, so only you see the code, it's private. But you can add 3 collaborators, we call them. 3 people who can see your code only. So you can share your code with me and with 2 more. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so we selected the theme. What else? Someone who did not say. Write the code. Okay, so after this we're gonna write the code. Is it HTML code in Markdown language? Awesome. Okay, so is there steps between this and that or directly to it?
You go to code.
Okay.
From the and then you start.
So go to
Code.
the code part, which is, I think it's like this, right?
Yes.
Code, and then you do what?
Edit.
Edit. Click edit. Awesome. Now we have everything ready here. We have full documentation. Okay, awesome. So we learned this by ourselves, right? You watching the video, by reading the documentation, read it. We learned it.
And we can make the page private before step 3.
Before step 3, here.
There's option.
So also you can do this here, right?
Yes.
You can do also public
Before
private.
the click.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Can
So,
you make it private?
When you create the repo, it will give you option before you create it.
Yes.
Before even. That's one option. Another option, you can create it and then you go to settings and change it to private if you want.
Yes.
So yeah, it's like when you do Facebook account, it will ask you for some settings, but later on you can go change your phone number, for example. Okay, awesome. Cool. Then we get to this part. There's the how do I open my GitHub page? I need someone else to answer. How do I open my GitHub page? How can I open the GitHub page? So after you write your code, you're gonna do something here, right?
Yes.
But can you tell me what to do after you write the code?
Write the content.
The markdown, yeah.
Write the content.
You write the content, so the hashtags and everything, and then you do what?
Comment.
Comment, yes, comment. So you need to comment. And you will be ready, right?
Yeah.
And then, if you want to make a change, what do we do here?
Again.
So we go back to here, right? And then we go on.
We can
And you can preview it, or here you can preview if you want. Okay, preview the changes. And then here, 8. I want to see the actual page. How?
Settings.
Go to settings.
There's an option.
Scroll to change theme.
Scroll down to the
GitHub pages, right?
Yeah.
And then do what? Okay, click the page. Click on page link. Awesome. Good. That's all we need. And then you keep going if you want to do some changes. Okay, here, there's another topic we learned today. I'm gonna focus here. What did we learn about this? The Markdown language. So URL. How do we do URLs?
Brackets.
Brackets.
The name of the link
Link name.
and parentheses.
parentheses,
No, but link.
HTTP link. Great. That's one thing. What else we learned? Image. Because these are the two more exciting things, right? You love them. Image. How do we do image?
The same URL.
Name here. Link to image, right?
For that, we put
If you can say your name, that you're good. Exclamation mark. I can't even pronounce it. Anyone who knows how to pronounce this?
Exclamation.
Exclamation. Okay, exclamation. That's easy. Okay. Then what do we do here? Okay, what else we learned? That someone said
change
Hashtag.
hashtag. So hashtags. What do we use hashtags for?
size. Change the size of the font.
Size of fonts. How many hashtags
6.
we can have? Up to 6. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What else we learned? Someone did not say something today.
WSL.
Someone did not say something. Come on. All of you said? Okay, good. You say something. You did not say something here. What did something you learned other than this?
2 star make the
Very good. 2 stars. What does it do? Yeah, bold. Okay, can anyone tell me how to do italic? Underscore. So the underscore or one star. This will do give you italic. Okay, very good, guys. Someone learned something we did not demo.
How to insert image.
This one you mean?
No, emoji.
Emoji.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's fun. Emoji. How? Exclamation mark.
No.
Which one?
semicolon.
Oh, is it colon? Oh, okay. That's marked down.
Okay, plus one, then another.
Plus
Plus one, then
colon.
it's like.
Yeah.
This
Oh, this is like?
Between them, it's the
Okay.
emoji. You put the name of the emoji.
Not sure how to do a like, but it seems like. Okay.
Also,
What else?
how to make a check list. A list with a check.
Oh, checklist. You mean with
List?
circle?
No. Yeah, check it. Square, inside it a check.
Wow, that's fancy.
That.
How?
Underscores. I can make
Score.
it. It can come on
Dash.
dash. Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Dash. Then the brackets. Inside the brackets, X. Close it. Then you can write the phrase.
Wow.
There.
The text.
Just this is enough, and
That's
you can make
awesome.
another one.
Or you can make more.
Yes.
Very good. Yeah. Good job.
Size of image.
I learned how to put like a line on the text.
Okay, cross line. Wow, you guys learned a lot. How?
I don't know. Simply mean.
Forget?
Flexible.
Tell that.
Yeah. And write text and another.
And the text. Another tell that. Is there spaces or no spaces?
I think with spaces.
With the spaces. So if we want spaces, I'm gonna use this simple. Let me see.
There's a spaces between the brackets and yes.
Okay, someone said the size of an image. Yeah, tell
After
us.
we put the link of the picture.
So size of image. So we do this name, whatever, and then brackets, and then parentheses,
Length
Link.
of the image.
Mm-hmm.
Space.
Mm-hmm.
Slash. Not
Oh, the other one?
shift. No.
it's like
Okay, I forgot what is it called, but it's this. You know.
Yes.
Okay.
Space.
It's a shift with a slash. Okay.
Space.
Uh-huh.
Width.
Width.
Equal.
Wow.
The size. 100.
Like 100. That's it?
Or closer.
Wow, that's amazing. Woo. That's cool, yeah. Codes. Okay.
Angle base.
Angle. The other one?
And the
Coat. Okay. Like coat. Like this, coat? Or is it U or no? Then? I forget. Okay. U then O. Yeah, coat. You mean a coat like someone did something and you want a quote from them? Is that what you mean by coat?
Yeah, cool.
I think coat is the other way.
UO.
U. And this is because this is couch. Coat, good, yeah. That's good enough. Seems like you learned a lot today. Good job, everyone. Love it. This is like, see, like when you read by yourself, this is like a whole lecture, right? Maybe next time we should not do a lecture. You go read, and then we do a review, and that'll be good. Okay, so now you know why review is very important to us, because we collect ideas from everyone. Good job. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? So now we're gonna know more about this. So like this is a quote. Speaking of quotes from Steve Jobs. Can anyone have like good eyes? Yeah, can you read it?
I think one of the things that really separates us from the high primates is that we're tool builders.
Huh?
I read a study that measured the efficiency of locomotion
Commotion.
for various species on the planet.
Mm-hmm.
The condor used the least energy to move a kilometer. Humans came in with a rather unimpressive showing, about a third of the way down the list. So that didn't look so good, but then somebody at Scientific American had
Mm-hmm.
decided to test the efficiency of the locomotion for a man on a bicycle and a human on a bicycle below the condor away completely off the top of the charts. Okay, and that's what a computer is to me. What a computer is to me is it's the most remarkable tool that we've ever come up with, and it is the equivalent of a bicycle for our minds.
That's by Steve Jobs. You guys no. Thank you so much. You know who's Steve Jobs?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What did you understand from this saying? Okay. Anyone get any idea from this quote from Steve Jobs? Try. So, Steve Jobs saying that measure the efficiency of locomotion for various species on the planet. You know what locomotion is? Commotion. It's like the different generations people believe in that the human was like this small and then that big, and then over the time the face got different. And sometimes they say like human were monkeys before, so locomotions in this generation or the change of species. So yeah, well, and science see all humans as like they are animals, but they have brains. So the condor used the least energy to move a kilometer. Humans came in with a rather unimpressive showing, about a third of the way down the list. So he's talking about like humans are smart, so they can use tools to improve their lives, right? So we do everything faster, we do everything with less effort. That's what he's talking about. And this is our topic today. So we will talk to you about like we have some power tools that will help us. One of them is called a text editor. A text editor is an editor that helps us write some code and have some, shortcuts. Okay, and sometimes it tells you even if there's an error. Do you remember REPL? Okay, REPL, sometimes when you type something, it would autocomplete for you. Continue, right? And that's one thing that's powerful, that's amazing actually. So you don't need to memorize and you don't make a lot of mistakes. If you have something wrong in your code, it tells you in green or in red, there's something wrong here. So that's why we need these kind of text editors. We have very common code editors here. There's like text editors in general. These are just if you want to write an article or text by yourself. But if you want to write code, there's these kind of. Okay? Can anyone of you use any of them? GitHub Atom. Oh, used Vim. Vim. Okay, Vim. I'm not sure if I have this on my computer, but maybe. Yeah, Linux, yeah, they have Vim. Vim, Emacs, Nano, TextMate. Anyone of you used them before? Was not, yeah. It's not that good, yeah, it's not friendly. Notepad++. Used it before. Anyone else use Notepad++? Okay. Microsoft VS Code, Visual Studio Code. GitHub Atom. Okay, good. So we're gonna learn some of them. What we will use here mainly is Visual Studio Code. It's free. You should download it. So this afternoon you will download VS Code. Very, very powerful, and it has colors. It has styling. So you don't worry about like if you're writing some, code with errors or not. So it will tell you if you have any error. And then we'll use the pie chart. Yeah, it is. It's an IDE. So it is a tool. Yeah. But here we will use like to have the same environment. We'll use Visual Studio Code and Terminal. Do you know what Terminal is? Okay. Do you know what CMD in Windows is? Command line. Okay, that's similar. I have it on my computer here. That's my terminal. It's every operating system, you mean? It's not related to the language, it's related to the operating system. In Mac, we have something called terminal. It's a command line. You can say, I will show you some stuff. Okay, I'm on desktop now. I can do open desktop. I'm asking my computer to open desktop. And my computer opened desktop on this window. So I'm gonna move it, I'm gonna show it to you. Where is it? Move it to the right. Here we go. So that's desktop. The computer, I gave an order to the computer to open my desktop, and it did. So this thing is called terminal. You give commands, orders to your computer. Okay? It's really easy to use, but in the first 2 days you will struggle with it. Like, what should I type here? How can I give orders to my computer? But you will get used to it, so it should be fun. Okay, so terminal is a cool thing. So what do you do? every day you create files, right? When you go right click, create a new file, whatever. You do this all the time. Sometimes you create a Word file or a note file in the notepad. Sometimes you create whatever image. So every time you create a file, you just do it using the mouse. Here, I can now tell you a way to create a file by giving instructions to the computer. Okay? And I will show you like some quick demo. Change directories. You can move from area to an area inside your computer. So let me open my computer from here. So this is Mac. Don't worry about it because I'm using Mac. Okay? It's a little bit different. So that's my desktop. In Mac it's a little bit different. It's not like Windows. In Windows it's easy. In Windows you do you have desktop, you have documents, you have downloads, and so on. We have the same, almost, desktop downloads. So that's desktop. I can go to the play area, for example, here. I can go to here, so I do it by the mouse. I can do this. You see this play area? You see this chocolate pizza? Okay. I can here do new folder. And say, I will name it 102. And inside this folder I can create a folder or a file, right? You can do this using this guy, the terminal. First of all, always run this command. You need to know where you are. So you run pwd. Pw, like give me the working directory. Enter. It tells me you are under users. That's the name of the user. You are inside desktop. So pwd gives you where you are inside your computer. Okay, I'm inside my desktop, but I want to see what's the surrounding. So let's imagine this is the desktop. This is the AS area. I need to see the surrounding. Like, do I have folder and files here? Do I have people? Do I have whatever? I want to know what's around me. So what I can do is ls. ls means show inside. Okay, so that means list all folder and files around me. And that's inside desktop. You see this? So it tells you this is what you have inside your desktop. Okay? So let's make sure. Do I have resumes inside desktop? Here we go. Here it is. Correct, I have. Do I have play area? Here. Let's go back. Do I have play area here? Yes, it is. Okay, how can I go enter play area inside? I want to move from desktop to a folder inside desktop. CD, yeah, he knows the commands. CD, change directory. Desktop is my current directory or the folder. We call it directory. If I want to go inside another directory, I can do change directory. CD. What's the name of the directory I want to go in? Resumes, but let's go to play area first. Play underscore or dash area. Ta-da! I'm inside play area. How can I make sure? Like, what's in play area here? That's play area. What does it have? Okay, how can I know if they are around? ls. Yay! 102 and chocolate pizza. It's there. How can I go inside 102? CD 102. ls? Nothing, because I just created it. It's empty. Empty, see? There's nothing in it. Okay, how can I create a folder inside 102? Make directory. mkdir. Make directory. You will see all these commands in the reading. mkdir. I'm gonna clean my screen. There's a command to clean your screen too. But mkdir. Make directory. Where we are now before we make the directory? PWD. We are inside desktop, play area 102. There is nothing in it. ls, nothing. Make the directory. What do we call it? Fun. Do ls? It's there. Fun. But we are outside fun. We are inside the 102. Where we are? 102. What do we have? Fun. You can make this list bigger. So you can do ls dash al. You can give it option or dash l. Give me this list as a long list. So it will give you this total is 0. There's no files, just a folder. This is the owner, and forget about this stuff. Don't worry about it. And I think this is the domain name. It's created on November 3rd at 3:13 and so on. So there's other information about it. Okay. ls dash l gives you more options. Okay. How can I create a file? Touch. Weird, right? Like touch, make a file. Seriously? I don't know why they call it touch, but it's touch. Let's call it. Let's make an MD file. Let's call it readme. No, that's confusing. Forget about readme. Let's call it class names, maybe. Dot. What extension we should put? txt, maybe. Text file. Enter. ls. You have class names and fun. I know it's a lot of things to learn.
We have to memorize all of them.
No, documentation. But you will practice. So if you do this like every day, you will learn them. You will memorize them. So you don't go back to documentation. But these are the most common. Make directory, cd, change directory, list, ls, touch, what else? Yeah, pwd, and you will learn many others. Many others. How? Huh? ls, list. L alone? Like this. This L means long list. Give me it as a long list. Now tell you like the authorization, the owner, whatever. This is the file, this is the folder, and so on. And what time it's created, and such information. In Mac, I clear my screen, and you can do it here using Control and L. It will clear everything. Well, it's in the history, by the way, huh? See it? But if you want just to clear the screen, you do this. Okay, you learn all these shortcuts. So where we are, what do we have? Okay, I want to move this text inside this folder. Can I do this in Mac? Yes. Let's go back to here. Here's the class names, and I want to move this to here. I can do it this way. Ta-da! It will move. It will be moved. Or I can do it this way. It will move to fun. But I don't want to do this. I want to do it from here. MV means move. Move this class. So I have a class. If you hit tab, it will autocomplete the name for you. So you don't need to type it all of it. Ta-da! Class name is txt. Move it to fun. And you see the slash after the fun? That means it's a folder. It's a directory. No, there's no need to. But this means move source to destination. The path, yes. Move this file to this folder. Enter. Do ls. What do you expect to see?
Alas.
Where am I now? Inside 102. If I do ls, what should I see? Fun. How about class names.txt? It's empty, right? ls, fun. cd, fun. ls, What should I see? Too fun? Where are we now? PWD, we are inside 102, inside fun. What's inside fun?
You're gonna see
Class names.
So if I do ls, it's class name topics. You need to practice this, okay? You will not understand from the first time. You need to do it by yourself many, many times. Keep creating files, removing file. By the way, you can remove a file. rm. I want to move class names. Be careful. There's no undo. Seriously. When you delete something in Windows, you can do undo, right? Or get back from trash. In terminal, you give direct command to the machine. You're not dealing with the operating system. You're giving machines commands. That means if you delete something, it will be deleted forever. I'm going to delete it now. It's not in the trash. If I do ls, it's not there. If you go to trash, you will not see it. Okay? So be careful about these commands. For any developers, and developers will use this every day. So a lot of your work will be here on the terminal. Okay, cool. Back to the slides. I think that's enough. I don't want to go. This is a waste of time. So anyway, exercise. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna install everything we need, and we're gonna use the command line. Yay! So that's it here. Hold on. So that's 102. So we have now on my calendar. I did the demo. Okay, installation. Lab 02 and read 2. Let's go. See this? Lab 02 and read 2. The coder's computer. The coder's computer. This takes 3 hours, by the way. It's a lot of installation. And sometimes it gives you something that needs downloaded from the internet. It takes 30 minutes. So don't stop. Keep moving. Do other stuff while you're waiting. Okay? So, and you do these 2 reviews. The markdown quiz and the computer config quiz at the end. The plan every day to start at 9, finish at 6. But today, because it's the first day, that's usually the case. We take like 30 more minutes, like 6:30. If you need more time, I will stay with you, and the TAs will do it too. Okay? So we'll try to provide you with all the help we have. Okay? Good luck. Have fun. Any questions? You're good? Everything you need about the commands, you will find it in the documentation, in the reading. Cool. Good luck. Okay. If you want to take some break, go for it. Because I'm sure you're sleepy. Maybe you need to get some coffee. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Visual study code.
10 minutes break.
10 minutes break.
Yeah, guys, you can have 10 minutes break before we do this.
As a terminal, actually no. Because the canvas thing from the code field in Seattle, they use the open. I know I tried to, but they didn't accept. So it's good, by the way. Ubuntu is really good for you.
Take a break, guys. Take a break. 3 or minutes.
Yeah,
Take a break for 10 minutes.
Yeah, you will suffer for 3 hours. So
You can do it fast. If you follow the steps, you will do it fast.
you need
But
to follow
follow
the
the steps.
exact.
Read everything. Step by step, you will.
After the break, we have to do the quiz.
Another question, you need to do the installation. There's some programs you need to install, so you can't do the program.
You do it line by line. You need to read line by line.
Step by step.
So, yeah.
Another question. This laptop, we use it for the whole week.
Yeah.
If you succeed, yes. And
No, for this week.
yes.
Each one have his laptop, it should be the same as next week.
You will have the same
For 6 months, if you stay in this course,
You will have the same
same laptop.
And then for the next week, you can have it after you
With
pass
you.
inshallah, you can have it with you for, I don't know, accommodation. Okay. Okay, let's have a break.
Take a break, guys. Take a break. But we need to close the room. Take a break. We have time. You know?